Good morning, students. This is a chapter, The Open Window, from the book It So Happened. So we'll continue after the half-yearly exams. We'll continue with this chapter with the online classes. All those who are not attending the online classes will be very helpful. So this is the chapter, The Open Window. So we start this chapter. There's a direct speech. My aunt will be down presently, Mr. Nuttall. So this is a direct speech. Presently means very soon. Said a very self-possessed young lady of 15. Who said this? A girl of 15. Self-possessed means very calm and confident girl. In the meantime, you must try and put up with me. So the girl is saying, my aunt will be down presently. Very soon my aunt will be down. And meantime, you can spend the time with me till she comes down. Down means they have a house which has got 2 stories. So the aunt is in the upper story, and the niece says that she'll come down very soon. So till the time you can spend time with me. Frampton Nuttall, so this is the character, Mr. Nuttall, endeavoured means tried to say something which should duly flatter. Flatter means praise the niece of the moment without unduly discounting the aunt that was to come. So you want what this line means here, that he wants to spend the time with the girl before the aunt comes down. So he has come to meet the aunt, and meantime here is a girl who has opened the door and is saying that my aunt will be down very soon. Till that time you talk to me, or you can spend time with me. Privately he doubted more than ever whether these formal visits of succession means one after another. Privately means thinking by himself. वो अपने मन में सोच रहा है कि दे विजिट्स हैं जो he is visiting different places, strangers, one after another, would do much towards helping the nerve cure which he was supposed to be undergoing. So here in this paragraph what we know is that Mr. Nuttall is suffering from a disease, bimari, nerve cure. It's related to the mind, nervous breakdown जिसे बोलते हैं, which he was supposed to be undergoing. So he is thinking whether visiting these people would help him cure this disease. I know how it will be, his sister had said when he was preparing to migrate to this rural retreat. So his sister had told him that it will be very difficult when you go to a strange place. If you go to a very strange place and you do not know people, it will be very difficult. His sister had told him, you will bury yourself down there and not speak to a living soul. Living soul means people. Living soul means people. And your nerves will be worse than ever from moping, from thinking. So his sister had told him that you are going to a rural retreat. Rural is the opposite of urban. Urban is a city life and rural is a town and a village life. So Mr. Nuttall has gone to a hill station to cure his disease, and his sister had told him that you should meet people there, and she has given, I shall give you letters of introduction to all the people I know there. So she has given him some letters of introduction of people she knew. So the sister had been to this hill station earlier and she knows a lot of people. Mr. Nuttall does not know anybody here, so his sister has given him a lot of introduction letters to people she knew. Some of them, as far as I can remember, were quite nice, and she says that most of the people whom I met during my stay there are very nice people. So let's turning on to the page. We'll continue in the next page. We'll get to know more about the story. Frampton wondered whether Mrs. Sappleton, the lady to whom he was presenting one of the letters of introduction, came to the nice division. And he's thinking, because his sister had given him letter of introduction, and one letter is of Mrs. Sappleton, and he's thinking, सोच रहा है क्या मिसेस सैपल्टन विल बी ऑल्सो नाइस, विल बी अ नाइस पर्सन. डू यू नो मेनी ऑफ द पीपल अराउंड हियर? So the niece, that is the 15-year-old girl, is asking, do you know anybody here? When she judged that they had sufficient silent communion, when they had been sitting quite silently for some time, as both of them do not know each other, so they were sitting silently. So now the niece is asking Mr. Nuttall, do you know many of the people around here? Hardly a soul, said Frampton. Hardly a soul means I do not know anybody, said Frampton. So here we have three characters. We have Mr. Nuttall, who's visiting the aunt, that is Mrs. Sappleton, and there's a niece, 15-year-old niece. Hardly a soul, Frampton. My sister was staying here some 4 years ago. मेरी सिस्टर यहाँ पे रहती थी 4 साल पहले. एंड शी गेव मी लेटर्स ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन टू सम ऑफ द पीपल हियर, एंड शी इज गिवन मी लेटर्स ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन टू सम ऑफ द पीपल. He made the last statement in a tone of distinct regret. Regret is pachtawa. When you feel bad about speaking something, that is called regret. Then you know practically nothing about my aunt. Pursued is continued. Please take out your pencils, your writing material, and write down the meanings. The self-possessed young lady said. Self-possessed, I have told you, is calm and confident girl. She said that you know nothing about my aunt, only her name and address. Admitted the caller. Caller here means Mr. Nuttall. He said, I do not know anything about Mrs. Sappleton. All I know is that my sister gave her address, name and address. He was wondering whether Mrs. Sappleton was in the married or the widowed state, and he didn't even know that whether Mrs. Sappleton was married or a widow. Widow is a person whose husband has died. Is called a woman whose husband has died is called a widow. An undefinable something about the room seemed to suggest masculine habitation. This line here means undefinable, means which cannot be defined. So something tells him that in this house or in this room, masculine is male. So that male people also live here. Masculine is male. So the child is continuing her story. Her great tragedies happened just 3 years ago. Tragedy is bad incident, happened just 3 years ago, said the child. That would be since your sister's time. And sister used to stay here around 4 years back. And this tragedy happened around 3 years back. So the niece is telling Mr. Nuttall that you do not know that the tragedy, something bad, a bad incident happened 3 years back. Her tragedies, asked Frampton. Somehow in this restful country, spot tragedy seemed out of place. And he was wondering that in a place like hill station like this, how could a tragedy take place? So this is the first part of the story which I have just told you. Till now what we know is that there is Mr. Nuttall who's come to a hill station. His sister has given him a letter of introduction because he is new to this place and he is having a nerve disease, illness. He is sick and he has come here to cure so that his disease gets well. And the first house he visited is Mrs. Sappleton's. So we'll continue this in my next video. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.